First, you have to simplify this. Let us take a k term, right? Kth term you can take. So 1 by k plus 1 into square root of k plus k times square root of k plus 1 we can write. Because k vary from 1 to n, right? Okay, so let us simplify this. This k plus 1, how to write? Square root of k plus 1 into square root of k plus 1, square root of k as it is, plus k, how to write? Square root of k into square root of k, square root of k plus 1 we can write. The whole expression which is common, square root of k into square root of k plus 1 you take common, then what is left actually? Square root of k plus 1, first term, and second term you can see plus square root of k. Okay, then how to rewrite this? K, you have to rationalize it, right? First, what is the next step? Square root of k plus 1 minus square root of k whole divided by, you can see students, square root of k into k plus 1, keep it as it is, so it will be 1 only will get, right? K plus 1 minus square root of k whole divided by square root of k into square root of k plus 1. You have to divide it individually, right? So what will get? 1 by square root of k minus, if you divide this one, what will get? Square root of k cancel, 1 by square root of k plus 1. Ak is equal to summation k is equal to 1 to n, 1 by square root of k minus 1 by square root of k plus 1. Summation k vary from 1 to n, right? Okay, so now you can apply 1 here. What will get? 1 minus square root of 2 plus, if you can apply k is equal to 2, 1 by square root 2 minus 1 by square root 3. 3 you can apply 1 by square root 3 minus 1 by square root of 4, so on. Last time you can see square root of n minus square root of n plus 1 you can write. So you can see every term will be cancelled except the first and last. So 1 minus 1 by square root of n plus 1. This is your Sn. Clear? So you know that the S1, put n is equal to 1, n is equal to 2, S1, S2 up. You have to check it how many rational terms are there. So the rational term is depends completely right side, square root of n plus 1. So n plus 1 should be perfect square only. It should be a ratio of integers, right? That is completely will get integers value, right? Otherwise, if it is not a perfect square, it is maybe irrational numbers also possibilities there, right? So therefore, so Sn is rational number, means rational if n plus 1 is a perfect square. Got it? Okay, so we have to check only S1, S2 up to S2014. You can see the square root of 2015 you take, that will be fall in 44 to 45. So how many perfect square is possible here? So n plus 1 would be, so 2 square, 3 square, 4 square, so on, 44 square you can take. You should not take 1, because if you take n is equal to 1, n is equal to 0, because n should be positive integer is given to you. So 2 to 44 square, 2 square to 44 square, how many terms is there? 43 rational number is possible. 43 rational terms is possible, right? Rational terms. I hope everyone understands.